Tired of your crypto being stuck in one place? Let's break down how to seamlessly move your assets from Coinbase Wallet to Bybit. First, open your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets or Wallet section, usually found in the top right corner. Then, click on Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the list. It's super important to select the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any loss of funds after you select the crypto. Choose the correct network. Double check this too, as choosing the wrong network can also result in lost funds. Now, Bybit will display your deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency and network. This is where you'll be sending your crypto. Copy this address carefully. Next, open your Coinbase Wallet app and find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap Send. Paste the Bybit deposit address you just copied into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Pay attention to the network fees displayed. These are the transaction costs charged by the blockchain. Consider transferring a small amount first as a test. Review all the details carefully, ensuring the address, cryptocurrency, network, and amount are correct. Then, confirm the transaction. The transaction will now be broadcast to the blockchain. It may take a few minutes to an hour, or sometimes longer, depending on network congestion, for the transaction to be confirmed and appear in your Bybit account. You can track the progress of your transaction using the transaction ID provided by Coinbase Wallet on a blockchain explorer like Blockchain.com. Once the transaction is confirmed, your crypto will appear in your Bybit account, and that's it. You've successfully transferred your cryptocurrency. Always double-check addresses and networks to ensure safe transfers. Happy trading!